if you're experiencing issues with the Cash App card being declined or just not working, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're going to walk through some common solutions to get your Cash App card working again. Let's get started. Here's how to fix the issue when your Cash App card is declined or not working. Open the Cash App on your smartphone. Tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. Review your card balance to make sure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Add funds to your Cash App account if needed by tapping Add Cash. Go to the Cash Card tab and select card information. Ensure that your card details are correct. Update any incorrect information if needed by tapping Edit or similar options. After that, navigate to the Settings menu in Cash App by tapping on your profile icon. Scroll to Limits to view your transaction limits for spending and ATM withdrawals. Ensure your transaction does not exceed these limits. If needed, increase your limits by verifying your account. Make sure your cash card is activated. If you recently received your card, follow the activation instructions that came with it. Open the Cash App, tap on the Cash Card tab, and follow any prompts to activate your card if needed. Verify if there are any restrictions on your cash card. Some transactions or merchants may be restricted. Go to the Cash Card tab and check if there are any restrictions set for your card. You might need to adjust the settings. Now, close that Cash App completely, restart your smartphone, and reopen the Cash App and try your transaction again. If that didn't help, contact Cash App support. Go to the Cash App Help Center by tapping on your profile icon, then Support, and follow the prompts. Submit a request or chat with a support agent to get further assistance. And that's it. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve issues with your Cash App card being declined or not working.